Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone, and today's video is brought to you by Fair and Up. I'm here with the very talented Jasmine of Get Caked, and you're going to show us how to make an R2D2 pancake.
Yes. Now this one, it's going to be a little bit harder. As you guys know, R2D2 has a lot of buttons, has a lot of moving parts constantly.
The feet. I think the feet would be really difficult.
The feet are going to be one of the harder ones, but I'm telling you, I've practiced this a lot. I've been preparing for this moment my entire life, okay? I'm telling you, my entire life.
I feel like this is the pancake, that you just have to nail, right?
This is the one for me, to be honest.
Okay.
This is the one. You ready to make it?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right. You gonna count me down again?
Yeah, definitely.
All right.
3, 2, 1. Oh, so cool.
That was a good one too.
That is a great one. Looks so good.
All right, guys. We just made an R2D2 pancake. I gotta know, Jerry, what are your thoughts?
I think, I was worried because this one looks hard.
I told you it was gonna
But
be
you
hard.
nailed it.
Yeah,
You nailed it.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's quite the R2D2-ish pancake.
It is. Now, when I think of R2D2, what flavor do you think of?
I feel like he was always comedic, right? So it has to be kind of fun.
I'm thinking like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich flavor, to be honest. Yeah, something out there completely.
Totally. I would almost want to do two different kind of batters. Like maybe the blue is a
Yeah.
blueberry, maybe the other one is the peanut butter or a banana or something. Like kind of mix it up.
That would be tasty.
I don't know.
I'd
I don't
have
know
to
what
eat
to
the
do.
whole thing. I'd have to eat the entire pancake.
I think you have to just keep making R2D2 pancakes until we
Different
get it right.
flavors.
Yeah.
And
yeah, that's what we have to do.
So you'll see the next 10 to 12 of them soon on this channel.
Yeah, definitely. But we want to know what flavor you would make. Tell us. Hit me up on Twitter at JerryJamesStone or hit up Jasmine at GetCakedLA. Let us know what flavor you would make. If you make it yourself, hey, show us a photo. And if you want to get a kit to make pancake art, where do we do that?
All right, so you're gonna want to go to Fair and Up. You're gonna go to their website, and the best thing is you can pre-order your pancake art kit, and it's gonna be the one-stop shop for you. It's gonna come with your bottles, your colors, some videos for you guys, and again, this kit, it's really meant to just bring you and the family together to spend some good Sunday fun day time together.
Make an R2. See you guys next time.
See you guys.